guys have a very wonderful day today. So KB and Dia is again here as usual. Dia is behind the camera.
Hello everyone.
So we are here today at Canmore. So we thought we're gonna share some fall colors with you guys.
Fall colors of Rockies.
Yeah, it's a Rockies fall colors, and you see the trees are turning into yellow right now, and slowly it's gonna turn into red as well. So it's a beautiful fall.
So KB, let our viewers know about this park.
So we are here today, as I said in the earlier, at Canmore. This lake is called Quarry Lake, one of the very nice between the cup of those Rockies.
And it's located in Canmore, Alberta.
In Alberta, it's called Quarry Lake. People are here. They came here. Usually, there are a lot of international visitors. They visit this lake as well. There's another field as well. You can bring your dogs and your pets. You can unleash them here. So it is a very healthy environment. Like it's a pollution free. There's a forest. There are a lot of trees here, and we are standing between the cup of the mountain, guys. So
Look at that.
Look at those
Very
trees.
peaceful
Spruce
and
grove
calm.
trees. Oh man, you see that? What is the view here, guys? So I thought we should share this view with you guys. And there's also washroom behind my back as well. So if somebody need it, you can use the washroom.
And there are a lot of picnic tables over here.
Yeah.
You can do barbecues. You
Yeah.
can stay full day.
Yeah. And that's how usually it is in the summer, especially people bring their foods and they bring their barbecue as well. So they do the barbecue here. They swim in this lake. It's a very neat and clean water here. It's one of the freshwater lake, right? So as you know, Canada is popular for their fresh lakes, right? So this is one of the fresh water lake. You can swim. It's not, I don't think so. It's shallow, I think so. Not much, especially this area is very shallow. There's also life jackets there.
Let's show our
Yeah,
viewers.
so those are the life jackets, and there's also a kind of a MIS, like an information kind of a desk. It's not desk, but kind of a information center there. You can take those life jackets. There are some advices. You have to follow those advices, and then you can go in the Quarry Lake. There's some charges if you want to park here. Before, like a couple of years back, it was free parking, but now they put up parking payment. But still, disabled is free of charge. You can disabled people, they can park their vehicle without free of charge. So it's a very nice day right now. Sun is still up.
Oh my God, look at the sun view. Oh wow.
So,
Oh my God, I love it. This scene.
wow. So anyways, once again, we are requesting you, as I said in the starting, there is a huge number of people, they are watching our channel, but they are not subscribing. Subscription is free for you, but on the same time, it's again, I'm saying it's a appreciation for us. So please give us thumbs up and subscribe our channel. So our goal is in this year to 1,000 subscriber mark. So please help us to get that goal. So see you in another video.